Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial of OpenCart video player plugin. Now using this extension, the admin can add videos to the product page using the YouTube URL or by directly uploading them from the system itself. Kindly note that this particular plugin supports the MP4 and the MKV file format for uploading the videos from the system. You can upload the videos using the YouTube URL. You can also add the video title and description while uploading the videos. You can set up the video player skin color as well. Apart from that, you can set the allowed video limit per product page and can use the embedded code to integrate the videos on your category pages as well as per your own requirement. So in today's video tutorial, I'll be taking you through the workflow at the front end of this plugin, and I'll be showing you the workflow how the customers can access the product videos from the product pages. Apart from that, I'll also be showing you how the admin would be able to set up the product videos for the respective products from the admin backend panel using this particular plugin configuration. But before I proceed further with this particular video tutorial today, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates from our end. And if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. So right now you can see that I'm on one of the product pages right now on the OpenCart storefront. That's the bell sleeve dress, and here I've added the product video. So if I tap on the product video, the video player opens up, and here we have the option to play the video. So tapping on that would start the video, and the video would start playing up as you can see, and the customers can access the details of the particular product that you have uploaded. So if you have a products video that you want to showcase on the product page along with the product images, then this particular plugin, that's the OpenCart video player plugin, is one of the best solutions for the same. So here you can see that I'm able to easily view the particular product video, and I can seek forward or seek backwards as per my own requirement there. I can mute, unmute, or raise the volume. I also have the settings here for the speed there. I can also maximize it if I want, and I can minimize it once again as per my own requirement. Apart from that, here you can see that I have this eye icon. If I tap on that, I can find the detailed description of this particular video. Now this particular video I've used from the YouTube URL itself. You can basically upload the videos using the URL or the YouTube URL there, or by directly uploading them from your system as per your own requirement there. So this was the workflow at the customer's end. I can also close this out by tapping on the close button. So here's the product video for this particular product, that's the bell sleeve dress. So this is just a demonstration there, so I've just used a demo video there for just showing you how this particular OpenCart video player plugin basically works at the storefront on the product pages so as to display the product videos there. Now let me take you to the admin backend panel and let me show you how the admin would be able to add the product videos to the products there. So for that, I'll just take you to the admin backend panel, and I'll be logging into the admin backend panel by entering the username and the password and tapping on the login button thereafter. Now after I've logged in, on the left hand side panel here under the catalog, after the successful installation of this particular plugin, we'll get the Webkul WKA product videos. So if I go to the WK product videos, I'll be able to see the complete list of videos that I've added for the different products here. So here I have the what we say as the banner image, the title of the particular video, the type, and the product name for which we have added, and we have this action column wherein we have the copy embedded code. So from here as well, you can copy this embedded code, and you can integrate the videos on your category pages as well as per your own requirement there. Now how to add the particular videos to the products? For that, what I'll do is I'll go to the products, and under products, what we'll do is, for example, we have this beach prom dress, and I want to add a video to this particular product. So I'll edit the product. We can do this for a newly created product as well. After opening the product in the edit mode or creating a new product, we have to go to the video tab that we have. So this video tab comes after the successful installation of the OpenCart video player plugin. Here we have the option to add a new video. To do so, you have to tap here on the add new button. After tapping on the add new button, you have the option to add a video. Just tap on that, and this brings up this particular section here. Now here we'll be able to add the video using two types there. The very first one is using the video URL, or the other one is the upload video. If I choose it as upload video, then I can upload the video using my system itself, my local system itself. So I have to tap on this, and I have to tap here on the edit button, and then I can upload the videos here by tapping on the upload button. This would open up my system there, and the videos that I have, I can upload those videos very easily. For example, I have this particular video, I can double tap that up, it would be uploaded here within this particular section, and then from here we can add the particular video to the same. So it will take a few moments there to upload the video there under the image manager there, and from there I'll be able to select this particular video, and then I'll be able to upload it directly from the system there. Now let me cancel this out for the time being. The other way around is we can upload a video URL as well. So for example, if I choose video URL, we'll be able to enter the video URL here from the YouTube, right? So to do so, what I need to do is I need to go to any of the videos that I've created. For example, let me open one video there, and for example, I have this particular video. Let me open it up for you. So I have this particular video here. I can go to the address bar, and I can copy the address of this particular video. I can come back, and I can paste the URL here, and as soon as I've pasted the URL, we'll be able to see that the video has been uploaded here, and has been basically fetched here, and we have automatically the title has been fetched, and the description of the video has also been fetched. So here we have the title and the description. Now kindly note, if you're selecting upload video, then in that case you have to enter the title and the description manually, and you have to add the preview image as well. But in the case of video URL, the title and the description would be auto fetch from the particular video. So here's the video, the name and the description that we have here has been auto fetched here. As you can see, this is the description and this is the title there, and we have the status as enabled there. Now after we have used the type as video URL, we have pasted the video URL here. If you want, you can also edit this title or the description as per your own requirement there. Set the status as enabled and tap on the save button thereafter. Now after the product has been saved, this was the beach prom dress. If I go to the storefront, and if I search for the beach prom dress, so here's the product. Now you'll be able to see that particular video that we had uploaded is now available here. So if I tap on that, the same name is there, Magento 2 eBay integration plugin management options. If I tap on that, the particular video would be opened in the pop-up there in the video player, and from here we can tap on the play button to play the particular video, as you can see right now, right? So the video is being played right now. I can view the description by tapping here on the eye icon on the top right hand corner, and I can view the particular description of this particular video there. If I want, I can seek forward as well as per my own requirement there. I can increase or decrease the volume as well. I can maximize the video as well or minimize it once again, and to close it out I can tap here on the close button. So that's how easily the admin can basically go to the products, add a new product or edit any already created product, and then go to the video section, and there he can add a particular video. So you can add multiple videos as well depending upon the allowed video limit per product page. According to the set allowed video limit per product, you can add multiple videos as well by tapping here on the add button, then tapping on the add video button, and then you can choose your type as upload video from your local system or using the YouTube URL as well. So that depends upon your requirement. Otherwise you can also tap on the minus sign to remove that particular video there. So that's how this particular plugin works at the storefront and at the backend. Now after you have edited the particular video to the product, if I go to the WK product videos, here I'll be able to see the particular video that I had edited along with the name of the product and the type is, you can see it's a YouTube URL video there. I can copy this embedded code, and I can use the embedded code to integrate the video on any of my category pages as well as per my own requirement there. right? Now, this was the workflow there at the front end, the back end. Now, let me take you to the initial configuration settings. For that, I'll navigate through extensions and extensions, and here I'll be choosing modules, right? And here I'll be scrolling down to the video integration by Webkul, and I'll be tapping here on the edit button thereafter. Now, after tapping on the edit button here we have the video integration configuration settings. So from here we can enable or disable this functionality of uploading the videos or the product videos there by choosing enable, or we can disable it by using the disable option here. For now we'll set it as enable. Then we can set the product video limit, and basically from here you can set the allowed video limit per product page. So here we have set it as 5, so accordingly I can add up to 5 videos to a particular video there, a particular product there basically. So 5 videos can be added as product videos to a particular product there. If I've set the product video limit to 5, then we have to enter the Google API key, and the Google API key has enabled the YouTube data API key. So you should have the Google API key before making use of this particular plugin there. And then you can set up the player skin color. So from here you can choose the player's skin color, and accordingly the skin color would be set according to the same. So here you can see that we have the blue skin color. If I play this particular video here and tap here on the blue, here you can see that we have the blue color in the play pause highlighter, right? And in this particular seek section as well we have the blue color of the particular thing, and here within the eye as well we have the blue color there itself. So yes, that was much about the OpenCart video player plugin, and I hope it helped you out in understanding how the admin can add the videos to the product page using the YouTube URL, or by directly uploading it from the system itself. And if you still have any questions, queries, suggestions, or requirements regarding this particular plugin, then you can anytime get back to us at support@webkul.com, or you can raise a ticket at webkul.uvides.com as well. Apart from that, if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. And lastly, thanks for watching this particular